Graphic and Multimedia. Online activity present by M. Rangika Kumari Gunawardhana. Index number 10 IT 2019 F0054. Advanced Technical Institute of Tangol. Department of Information Technology. Section number 1. Briefly explain what is an image file format. Image file formats are standardized means of organized storing digital images. An image file format may store data in an uncompressed format, a compressed format or a vector format. Second question. What did you mean by image file size? This is expressed as number of bytes. This value depends on two factors: number of pixels on the screen, bit depth, number of bits allocated for a pixel. Larger number of rows and columns increase the resolutions and it leads to larger the file size. What is image file compression and what is the requirement of image file compression? Image file compression is a term used to describe ways of cutting the size of the file. Requirement of image file compression. Image files typically are larger than text file. Web pages often contain many images that are transmitted across connections that can be slow. Image file can be quite large, and larger file type means more disk usage and slower downloaders. What are the two types of image file compression? Type of image file compression: lossless compression, lossy compression. Explain them. Lossless compression. Algorithms reduce file size while preserve a perfect copy of the original uncompressed image. Lossless compression generally, but not always, result in larger file than lossy compression. Lossless compression should be used to avoid accumulating stage of free compression. Second one, lossy compression. Algorithms preserve a representation of original uncompressed image that may appear to be a perfect copy, but it is not a perfect copy. Often lossy compression is able to achieve smaller file size than lossless compression. Most lossy compression. BMP bitmap file format. The BMP file format handles graphic file within the Microsoft Windows OS. Typically, BMP files are uncompressed and therefore larger and lossless. Their advantage is their simple structure and wide acceptance in Windows programs. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Groups, is a lossy compression method. JPEG compressed images are usually stored in the JPEG file name. Extension is JPG or JPEG. Nearly every digital camera can save image in the JPEG or JFIF format. which support 8-bit graphical image and 24-bit color images. 8-bit each for red, green and blue. GIF graphic interchange format. The GIF is an normal use limited to an 8-bit splattered or 256 color. GIF is most suitable for storing graphic with new colors due or GIF is simplicity and edge. It achieved almost universal software support. Due to its animation capability, it is still widely used to provide image animation effects. Despite its low compared modern video format, PNG Portable Network Graphics. The PNG file format was created a free open source alternative to GIF. The PNG file format supports 8-bit platted image and 24-bit true color or 48-bit true color with and without alpha channel, while GIF supports only 256 colors and inaugural transparent color. TIFF Target Image File Format. The TIFF formats a flexible format usually used in either the TIFF or TIF file name extension. The target structure was designed to be easily extendable, and many vendors have introduced proprietary special purpose tags with the result that no one reader handles every flavor of TIFF can be lossy or lossless depending on the technique lossless for storing the pixel data. EPS Encapsulated PostScript is a meta file format can use for vector image or bitmap image. Use PS extension PTCT used for primarily or machine touch platform, most commonly used for BMap image lossless format. Therefore, files are very larger. Use PCT extension. Special thanks for lecture Mr. SJSV Rajapaksha. Thank you. I'm Ranka Kumari.